Okay, welcome back everyone. So we were discussing about this, right? If this element is 0, see here carefully, if this element is 0, then also it follows all the conditions of row echelon form. So in this case, after converting into its row echelon form, if I'm finding its number of non-zero rows, its number of non-zero rows are 1, 2 and 3. All these 3 rows are non-zero rows. So its rank will be 3, isn't it? So here, despite of any value of this term 2 beta minus 14, either it is 0 or non-zero, we are going to get rank of A augmented B is 3, which is our condition. So here alpha is not equal to 2 and beta can take any value. Is it clear now? Or still any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Okay, now in this question only, if I'm asking this thing, okay, just tell me this answer of this question for different questions. Okay, suppose in this question, instead of asking unique solution, they are asking that, wait, suppose in this question they are asking that the system are inconsistent. Okay, this system of linear equation is inconsistent. Then what will be the conditions for alpha and beta? Okay, suppose this is the question. So for inconsistent system of linear equations, right, we have seen in last class, for inconsistent, that means they are having no solution. For no solution, your rank of A should not be equal to rank of A augmented B, right? So here for inconsistent, that means no solution, and for no solution, your rank of A should not be equal to rank of A augmented B. So what about rank of A students? So here our both ranks should not be same. So here we are on the same conditions now. So for both ranks should not be equal to same. See over here, we are having only one condition, that we should take 2 alpha minus 4 equal to 0. If I'm taking 2 alpha minus 4 equal to 0, then this term will become 0. So rank of A will become 2, and I will take this term non-zero. So if I take this term non-zero, then rank of A augmented B will be equal to 3, isn't it? See over here. So I'm writing it separately to avoid confusion. Okay, let me write this determinant once again. Okay, wait. Now see. So over here, for this condition, our rank of A and rank of A augmented B should be different. So for rank of A, what I will take now, if I'm taking 2 alpha minus 4 equal to 0, see here carefully. So this system will reduce to 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. And here 5, 4, this can take any value. So rank of A will become 2 over here. And rank of A augmented B will become 3 over here. Isn't it? Are you getting my point? So for this condition, rank of A should be equal to 2. My 2 alpha minus 4 should be equal to 0. So alpha should be equal to 2. And for rank of A augmented B equal to 3, element 2 beta minus 14 should not be equal to 0. So beta should not be equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. Okay. So alpha should be equal to 2 and beta should not be equal to 7. Okay, beta should not be equal to 7. Is it clear now? This condition is clear to you? Please give me some response. Okay, so shall we see one more condition? Okay, क्या ये clear हुआ? No solution के लिए? Is it clear? Roshan, Chandrasekhar? You can type in chat box as well. Okay, okay, for Roshan is it clear? Chandrasekhar, is it clear now? Okay, great. So now let us see last condition. If in the same question, if they have asked that give us the condition for alpha and beta for infinite number of solutions. Okay, if they are asking that infinite number of solutions, what will be alpha and beta? Okay. Chalo, so for infinite number of solutions, I'm not going back now. So we all know that for infinite number of solutions, your rank of A should be equal to rank of A augmented B should be less than n, and here n is 3. Okay, so if I write this once again, see over here. So this was our rank of A augmented B. Okay. So wait. So we are having 1, 2, 5, 4, 2 beta minus 14. Okay. So rank of A equal to rank of A augmented B should be less than 3. So for here, definitely your 2 alpha minus 4 should be equal to 0, and 2 beta minus 4 should be 14 should be equal to 0. So here your row echelon form will be like this. So in this case, your rank of A will be equal to 2, as well as rank of A augmented B will be equal to 2, and both are less than 3. So your alpha should be equal to 2 and beta should be equal to 7. So if you know this question, then you can definitely address this type of all similar questions. If they are going to give you unknown in these places, and they are going to ask you condition for unique solution, or they are going to ask you condition for inconsistency, or they are going to ask you condition for infinite number of solutions, now you can definitely address this. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us see next question. Question number 4. A 4 by 5 is any real matrix, right? A 4 by 5 is your any real matrix, and Ax equal to B is an inconsistent system of linear equation. Ax is equal to B is your inconsistent system of linear equation. Then the highest possible rank of A is, okay, highest possible rank of A. Okay. So this is your 1 mark question, previous year question definitely, and highest possible. Okay. So see over here. If A is 4 by 5 matrix and this system are inconsistent, so what is the condition for inconsistency? Inconsistency means it is having no solution. That means rank of A is not equal to rank of A augmented B. Your rank of A and rank of A augmented B both are not same. So if I'll write A augmented B over here, since A is 4 by 5 matrix, definitely it contains 4 number of rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 column vector, it is B. Okay, sure. So first tell me what should be rank of A. First, if it is A, if A is any matrix M by N, so its possible rank is what? I have given you one property of rank based on its order. If it is M cross N matrix, then rank of A should be anything you can remember, less than or equal to minimum of Mn something. Okay, so rank of A will be always less than or equal to minimum of Mn, isn't it? Okay, you can check this from previous notes as well, right? So your rank of A should be always less than or equal to minimum of Mn. If here it is there, I will show you. Okay, I have given you that note separately. Okay, so if A is m by n matrix, okay, this is rank of A into rank of B. Okay, if I have not given to you, then make this note now. Okay, your rank of A should be always lesser of its orders, right?
Given, sir.
Given. Okay, okay. So see over here. Okay, so once again, so rank of A should be less than or equal to minimum of mn. Here your m is 4 and n is 5, isn't it? So here my rank of A should be less than or equal to minimum of 4 comma 5. So definitely my rank of A should be less than or equal to 4, because 4 is minimum of 4 and 5. Okay, so my rank of A should be 4 or less than 4. But here what they are telling that your highest possible rank for inconsistency. For inconsistency, your rank of A should not be equal to rank of A augmented B. So whenever you are going to take row echelon form, see over here. Here inconsistency is this case. Okay. So for inconsistency, what we have taken? For inconsistency, your rank of A should, I have taken over here 2, that is less than 3. And rank of A augmented B, I have taken here 3, isn't it? You can see over here. For inconsistency, right, our rank of A should not be equal to rank of A augmented B. So I have taken rank of A 2. I have made this row as 0. And I have taken rank of A augmented B as 3. That means I have taken any element over here. So definitely if my rank of A is 3 over here, that is its maximum value, then inconsistency will never arise. If rank of A is equal to 3, then rank of A augmented B is going to be 3, isn't it? In previous case here, if I have taken this not equal to 0, that means rank of A is 3. And if rank of A is 3, definitely rank of A augmented B also will become 3. Either it is 0 or non-zero. So to make this inconsistent, that is to make rank of A and rank of A augmented B equal to or not equal to, or to make this inconsistent, we should make rank of A and rank of A augmented B different. And to make them different, definitely our rank of A should be less than its maximum value, right? Its maximum value is 3. Here rank of A is maximum value is 3. So definitely its value should be 3, or its value should be less than 3 always. Because यहाँ पे वो आपका 0 होगा, because if this will become 0, then and then only your rank of A augmented B can take higher value than rank of A. Then and then only your rank of A augmented B will be different from rank of A. So here, for inconsistency, definitely maximum value of rank of A, or for inconsistency, wait. So for inconsistency, or you can make this also note, for inconsistency, your rank of A should be less than 4, right? Because if rank of A equal to 4, at that case, definitely your rank of A is going to become rank of A augmented B. Are you getting my point? Either your B आपका पूरा 0 होगा. If B is whole 0, then also rank of A augmented B will become 4. Okay. So for inconsistency, that is your rank of A should not be equal to rank of A augmented B. So your rank of A should be less than 4, and implies if rank of A should be less than 4, then what are the possible values of rank of A? 0, 1, 2, 3. So your rank of A can be 0, 1, 2, 3. And they are asking maximum value of rank of A. So maximum value of rank of A is 3. Is it clear now? Okay. So maximum value of rank of A is 3 in this case. Okay. You can expect similar type of question, right? Now, why this is 1 mark question? Now you know this question carefully, clearly, right? So if in question they have asked you it is a 5 by 6 matrix, then can you tell me if A is 5 by 6 matrix and same condition, then here maximum rank of A will be? Here A was 4 by 5. Yes, very good, very good. So here rank of A will be 4, or maximum rank of A will be 4. Okay, great. Now question number 5. It is 7:59 already, right? And from 8 I am having my different class. Okay, so today we are going to keep till here only. Okay, is that clear, everyone? And
Yes, sir.
okay, so thank you everyone, have a great day. Let us meet in tomorrow's class. Okay.